Hi, welcome to Miss Sharon's Story Time, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. Today we're going to read Feathers for Lunch, and it's by Lois Ehlert, and it's from Harcourt. And this is my cat. I thought you would like to see it. Okay, here we go. Uh-oh, door's left open, just a crack. My cat is out. And he won't come back. He's looking for lunch, something new, a spicy treat for today's menu. His food in a can is tame and mild, so he's gone out for something wild. He's snooping and sneaking. Those birds sure look good. If he could catch one, he'd eat it. He would. But when his bell jingles, birds call a loud warning. Big cat got out early this morning. But cats can't fly, and they can't soar. And birds know what their wings are for. Look, he's trying to reach the hummingbird there. So he keeps prowling, hoping to munch, but all he catches are feathers for lunch. Isn't that cute? I love it. Now, these are the lunch that got away. These are the birds that he saw in the story. Okay, this is a northern cardinal, a northern oriole. This is a red-winged blackbird. I just saw one of those in my mom's yard. It's a blue jay, an American robin, and a mourning dove. And there's a couple more here. Just one second. Let me get this. There we go. There's a ruby-throated hummingbird, an American goldfinch, a house sparrow, a house wren, a northern flicker, and one of my favorites, the red-headed woodpecker. Okay, so if you stop by the library, I'd like to show you what's in your packet. First of all, you'll find one of these, and my grandson and I put this together today, and it makes this cute little bird, and that you could hang him on your doorknob or on a dresser knob or wherever you would like. Okay, the other thing you'll find is this birdhouse picture, and you'll find one special glittery bird on your picture. Okay, and then you use markers or crayons or colored pencils and decorate this any way you'd like. You will also find a piece of paper and a sparkly birdhouse. Now you can do it this way or this way and glue this on and then add a bird or several birds, anything that you would like to put in your picture, okay? And then the last thing you'll find is this little paper, and it just tells about my story time. Okay, so I hope you enjoy all those activities, and I'll see you the next time. Keep reading. Bye-bye.